Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to make an exclusive party wear blouse. So this is going to be the back side of the blouse, and so let me mark the boat neck for this blouse. So my full length of the shoulder is actually 6 inch. So I'm going to take the neckline alone for 4 inch and the shoulder is going to remain for 2 inch. Okay, so from there I'm going to mark 5 inch. That is going to be my depth of my neckline to be 5 inch. So let me draw a box, and from that I'm going to make a nice and neat boat shape. Okay, so from the folded edge I'm going to mark 1 inch starting from the neckline till the down part of the back blouse. Okay, so you're going to mark the 1 inch like this. Okay, so till you get to the end point of the blouse you're going to mark the 1 inch allowance. Okay, so this is the back opening that I'm going to give to the blouse. Okay, so now this is the lining part and this is the main fabric. So I'm going to place the lining on top of my main fabric, and I'm going to cut my armhole, the side, and the 1 inch of marking. Okay, so just place the lining on top of the main fabric, and I'm going to cut the neckline, the armhole, and the sides. Okay, so I'm just cutting the sides of my back blouse. Okay, so now I'm going to cut into that 1 inch mark, that is the opening for the blouse. Okay, so little by little you're going to get into the mark point and you're going to take that 1 inch, and now I'm going to sew this blouse and I show you how to do that. And let me cut out the neckline also. Okay, so let me show you the stitching of this blouse. So take your lining and take the wrong side of the main fabric facing up, and you're going to put a straight stitch on the open edge of the blouse. Okay, just like that you're going to put a stitch, and you're going to turn the pretty side like this, and make sure that you see the pretty side right now. Okay, so always join at the wrong side of the fabric, and then when you turn the fabric you can see the pretty side. And once you get into the pretty side of the fabric you're going to put a top stitch to conceal the lining and the main fabric together like this. Okay, so little by little you're going to sew on top of that, so it's going to be like a top stitch. Okay, and also I'm going to finish off my neckline just by putting a stitch on top of that. Okay, and I'm going to do the same to my neck side. So now I'm going to finish my neckline just by attaching a cross piece. So this is going to be a 2 inch wide cross piece, and I'm folding that in half, and I'm folding the corners of that for once, and I'm going to attach that to my wrong side of my blouse. Okay, so that's going to be the wrong side, and I'm attaching that to my wrong side like this. Okay, so once it's been attached like this, and I'm going to cut some notches to the neckline. Okay, so make sure you don't cut into the thread, and now just open that and you're going to put a top stitch on top of this cross piece. So this is going to be the wrong side, and I'm just going to sew on top of the cross piece. So this makes the turn really simple and neat. And now this piece is going to fold it to the front side, and now this is the front side of the blouse, and you're going to sew on the exact margin of this cross piece, and you can see how neat it is, and you will get exact perfect neckline if you follow this step. Okay, so once it's done, I'm going to make a loops for this blouse, that is the back button and the loops. So for that, I'm just taking a 2.5 inch length, like a edging lace like this. So if you want, you can use edging lace, or else you can use any kind of a spaghetti stab or a loops. Okay, and I'm just cutting randomly like a 10 to 12 of this. Okay, so its length is going to be like 2.5 inches, and I'm going to attach that to the one side of my back blouse, and to the one side I'm going to attach the buttons. So before I do that, I just sew the down part of my blouse. So I'm just double folding the down part, concealing the raw edge inside, and I'm sewing that together. So same I'm going to do to my neck side. So fold it twice, and you're going to put a stitch on top of that. Okay, and make sure it's straight enough, and you're going to sew at the exact margin like this. And now I'm going to attach my edging lace. So before attaching the edging lace, I'm just marking a 1.5 inches of gap in between those laces. So I'm just marking a 1.5 inches like this. Okay, so it's absolutely left up to you. If you want 1 inch of allowance, you can give 1 inch, or if you want like 1.5 inches, you can give like 1.5 inches. And you're going to fold the lace like this, and you're going to attach that to the one side of your blouse. Okay, simply you're going to fold it like this, and you're going to join that on the exact line that you have drawn. It's very simple and easy to make. So little by little you're going to sew on the exact line to give a exact neat finish. So now you can see I have sewn the loops to the one side. So now I'm going to mark the buttons. So before that, take a sketch, and you're going to put that into the hole, so that you'll get the exact place where you're going to sew the button. So I'm just keeping a small dot, and see, these are the points where I'm going to sew the buttons. And see, I have finished sewing the button, and this is how it's going to look. And let me remove and show you one button. It just came out really beautiful. And hope you like this video. Very beautiful party wear. And if you like this video, and if you want more videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also just hit on the thumbs up button if you want more designer outfits like this. See you next time with a different kind of style. Take care. Bye bye.